realistic because that is how it works. Oh, what a crazy weekend. Hello, good morning. Okay, it is February 9th. So we're starting this vlog a little bit differently this week because my daughter and her soccer team made finals. So we are driving down to Seattle again today for her game. And the girls have worked so hard, and so I'm super excited to go and support them. But because we had a game yesterday, and it's kind of put a huge dent in my creative time. So normally Saturdays and Sundays I spend editing my vlog and doing prepping for social media for next week. I have not had time to do that at all. So that's kind of putting me behind this week. I'm not sure. Tomorrow I'm going to be off, so I'll definitely have some painting time in there, but really this vlog is going to be kind of all over the place this week. I think we're going to kind of do something a little bit different. If you follow me on social media, every week I've been doing like a mini vlog, and it's kind of has some personal stuff sprinkled in it, and I think I might start incorporating that more here too. Just so you guys can see that it's not all just about my business. I have a whole other life to do, and I think it's really important to kind of share with you all. Not so much to like gloat or anything like that, just so it's more real, it's more realistic, because that is how it works. And some vlogs that I've seen, I'm just like, oh my gosh, it's so cleaned up and perfect, and not all the time. There's some times where some artists show some very vulnerable moments. But I thought that I've been enjoying doing the mini vlogs, so I think I'm probably going to start incorporating that more here. What do I have planned? Well, it's just waking up and heading down to Dakota to go do another soccer match and cheer my daughter on. I did get some footage of them walking out, so I'll show it maybe. I don't know. But I'm very excited for them. Very excited for them. So until then, this morning, I think I'm going to be obviously working on the rest of my vlog and my thumbnails, and I'm probably going to work on social media. I think I'm pretty much almost done with my blog for this week that I'm going to be posting Monday. I typically post on Mondays. Oh, I'm sorry. If you are new here, this is not normally how I come on, but it's been a busy week and this is what you get. I'm Shelly. I am a part-time mandala artist. I still work full-time. I have a daughter of 2, and welcome to my journey of chaos. I hope you enjoy. If you are enjoying my content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. That really helps my channel, and it gets out to more people, and maybe it'll be more helpful for other artists who are still in the same boat as me. But yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna do some editing, so I'll share that stuff with you a little bit, and just trying. Oh my god, my cat just like jumped and moved everything. Okay, all right, let's get busy. a crazy weekend. So yesterday my daughter went to the finals, and guess what? They came back with the championship. I am so incredibly proud of those girls and how hard they played and worked. It actually ended on a shootout, and the other team was amazing too. So that's why it's like such a great win, because the other team, you play the best of the best. It came down to a shootout. So the girls won, and I'm so proud of them. And my back is killing me today because I stood the whole time and I don't have the best insoles. Oh well. All right, guys. Well, back to art stuff. I know sometimes you might not want to know about like the personal stuff, but I feel like it's kind of important for you to get a whole grasp of what I do or what I'm trying to attempt. So, because this is hard. This is hard. Okay, working on more mushrooms. I think I might take a break and work on my tea light holder for a little bit. Maybe prep a canvas, because I need to start working on a silhouette of a dragon, and I still have drawing to do. Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna start working on that and see how far we can get on it today. I was planning on cleaning today, but I think I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna paint, and I can clean when my kids are home. But they're not here, they're at school, and so I'm going to enjoy my day off, my only day off during the week when the girls aren't here. So let's get into it. I think I'm going to move on because you've already seen me working on the mushrooms this morning. So we are going to work on the tea light holder, and I think we're going to prep. I just got to figure out what colors I want to use for the dragon. And then I think I'm going to do, I don't know. Inspiration hit, maybe not. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, let's go. Hello, voiceover Shelly. I just wanted to, this week kind of went sideways after the weekend. I had terrible back pain. It was mostly because I was standing at the soccer fields with like not very good supportive shoes the whole weekend. And in the result, my back was killing me. And really, I just wasn't able to paint or create at all for the rest of the week. It was terrible, absolutely terrible. And then I got a terrible cold that week, and you can still kind of hear it, but it is also early in the morning while I'm editing right now.
And yeah, it was just a rough week after my weekend and just trying to survive it. But hey, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking it out all the way to the end here. If you made it this far, I want to give you a secret comment code. And that code for this vlog will be champions, in celebration of my daughter winning the championship at her soccer match. And hey, if you are enjoying my content, please consider liking and subscribing and commenting. I would really appreciate it because it will get my videos out to more people. And I don't think you understand, or maybe you do, how important that is for a creator here on social media and on YouTube, because maybe eventually I can get monetized and actually funds will come in that way. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week.